Easter video. Oh, I think that'd be a good idea. Rosie, can you say Happy Easter? Hi.
That was a good one. Yes, it was.
Yeah, you could do crawling on Easter. You
Wouldn't
can
that
learn to
be
crawl.
something? Huh?
Yeah. Da, da, da. Say Happy Easter, da, da, da.
Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Huh? Where's Daddy?
Rosebud.
Where's Daddy?
You're such a pretty girl. Yes. You look so pretty in your Easter dress.
Hi, Daddy. What's back there? Bye. Should we take her sweater off?
Oh, either way, it's cute too. Da. We're inside now. It's warm though.
Yeah, it is warm.
I'm not my outfit picture. Just because you have cute little arms, baby.
Yeah. But
Cute little chunker arms and legs.
The sweater's cute.